Hi, this is Jim Soucy, and I'm going to show you how to do a Part D Medicare plan analysis using the Medicare.gov website. So first thing you do is you go to Medicare.gov in any browser. Once you're on that page, you scroll down and you select Find Health and Drug Plans on the left side. Once you're there, you enter your zip code. I'm going to put the zip code in for my office, 02886. Once I've done that, I click Find Plans. It's going to ask me a couple of questions here, and I always enter I don't have any Medicare coverage yet, and I don't get extra help. And then from there, you're going to click Continue to Plan Results. Now, once you're on this screen, this is where you enter in your medications. So I'm going to enter in a couple of medications, pretty common ones. Simvastatin for one. Once I enter in the medication, it's going to give me some defaults. The default is 20 milligrams. You can adjust this from 5 milligrams to 80. And you can adjust the quantity as well. I'm going to leave the default 20 milligrams as well as a quantity of 30. And then I get it once a month. You can adjust that here if you need to. Once you've entered in a medication, it's going to give you a drug list ID. And you can make note of this along with the date that you did this analysis. And when you do that, you can pull up the analysis later, or the list of medications later. So it can be kind of helpful to keep track of that list ID. Let's enter in another medication. We'll plug in, let's say, Advair, pretty common medication. A couple of different options. I'm going to go with the Advair Discus. Click Add Drug. And again, I'm going to go with the default. If I needed to change that, I could. There's two medications, good enough. I'm going to say my drug list is complete. Now it's going to ask me to enter in some different pharmacies. So you can enter in up to two. I'm going to select CVS, and I'll select, say, Walgreens. It'll give me by default what's the lowest price based on the plans available here. In Rhode Island, Connecticut, and Massachusetts, the same plans that are available. So I've entered the pharmacies. Now I'm going to say or click on Continue to Plan Results. Once I've done that, you're going to get some options here. Select Prescription Drug Plans, and then select Continue. Now it's going to show me the 24 different plans that are currently available for 2015. If we do this after October 1st, you'll see the plans available for 2016. And now based on those two medications we entered in, it ranks the 24 plans, and it shows us from least expensive to most expensive in terms of total annual cost for the rest of the year, which one's the best deal. Now right here it says AARP Medicare RX Preferred. The premium is $48.20, the deductible $0, and the cost as of today is $273. What they're looking at, because we're doing this in September, they're looking at what it would cost if we enrolled for an October 1st effective date. It thinks you're enrolling for next month, so October, November, December. So this $273 represents 3 months worth of premium and any copays. So if you clicked on that link there for the name of the plan, it'll show you some more specifics. So again, the name of the plan here, the number to call to enroll, star rating, what the premium is, if there's a deductible, what the cost is at CVS. Looks like it's a little bit cheaper if we use this plan at Walgreens. So if we click on Walgreens, I would, why not pay the least amount? It shows $40 copay for Advair, and a $2.88 copay for Simvastatin. If you scroll down a little bit more, it gives this graph. Now this graph is not meaningful right now because we're only looking at 3 months out of the year. If we do this in October, it's going to look at the full year for next year, for 2016 in this case, and it'll show if you end up in the coverage gap. With this plan, you will end up in the coverage gap right around November. You look at the total monthly cost of these medications, it's $308.26. So if those things remain pretty constant for next year, the donut hole happens when the cost of your medications exceeds $3,310 for 2016. So right around November or early December, you go into the coverage gap. You're going to go from paying, again, if everything stays the same, $42.88 to $139.29 for that last month of the year. If you want to enroll in this plan, again, you can click enroll and fill out the form on the next few pages, or you can just call member services and enroll that way. That's just one example. If you want to look at other options, you can scroll up, click return to previous page, and it gives you back to the list of the different plans to choose from. If you want to look at all 24 plans that are available, you click view all, and it will show you everything that's available, all the different plans. This list right now is 24 plans long. It will change for next year because they change every year. Hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, you can give us a call. Again, my name is Jim Susi. Our phone number at the office is 401-234-4450. Or you can find us online at compassplanners.com. I look forward to serving you. Have a great day.